I will now show you my sewing area. This is where all the magic happens. This is where I spend all of my time and energy when I'm not working and putting stuff together. And I got a new something I want to show y'all. I'm so excited. Guys, the doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I missed you last week, but I'm back. So today I am giving you guys what I promised you, which is a tour of my sewing studio / sewing room. I am in the closet area right now. I won't show y'all that because it's not looking great right now, but I'm so excited to show you guys the room. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button so we can continue to hang out together. And you guys can continue to catch these fun videos once a week. All right, you guys, let's get into this sewing room tour. All right, you guys, so let's start. So my sewing room is actually one of the smallest rooms in my house, but I love it because it's quaint and it's cozy. And when it's cold in the winter, I can, let me turn this so y'all can see me talking. There we go. When it's cold in the winter, I can easily heat it up quickly. And when it's hot in the summer, I can cool it down quickly too. So I love my sewing room. My husband was like, do you want to move to a bigger room where you have more space? And I was like, no, I love my sewing room. I'm going to stay where I am. So here we go. All right, guys. So this is something I absolutely love about my sewing room. To sew or not to sew, is that even a question? So I got this at Hobby Lobby a few years ago and finally got around to putting it up. I just painted my walls pink. I hated it at first because it looked like Pepto-Bismol, but once I finished the second coat and got everything staged and decorated, now I absolutely love my pink room. Yeah, so let me show you guys what I have. This is my bookshelf. I got this from IKEA because, you know, why not? Furniture from IKEA. I assembled this bookshelf and I got like these little bins to put in here as well, just for storage sake. I got some books here, like sewing related books, and all my needles here. And I got my little faux plant from Target. I think it was like $5, but who would know, right? So, you know, in these bins, I've got stuff. I got notions for fall, patterns, all those pattern hauls, patterns, y'all. This is some lining fabric, more patterns, and some fabric, fall fabric. So I'm making good use of those. I don't have stuff out in the open like I used to. Got some wool over there in the corner. Here is my vision board. I won't get too much into detail there. I've actually had the same vision board for like the last 4 or 5 years because I'm assuming it's more of a 10-year plan, but it's all good. You know, I'm slowly making my way, so that's all that really matters. This is my ironing area. I have my tailor's ham and my seam roll here at the bottom, and my iron, my trusty dusty iron. This is a Singer mop that I got from Joanne. It's lasted, you know, a few years now. This is a bin that I kind of store fabric in as I go. Got that from Target as well. This is my rack, you guys. This is where I kind of hang all my stuff that I've made. This is actually my summer sewing collection. If you remember when I showed you that, at some point I'll put fall stuff up, but I'm not there yet. So this top, you guys, this is a Mini G pattern top. This fabric is so soft, and I need to go back in. This is when I had first started sewing, and I gathered these sleeves, the sleeve cap, before I put it in. and it's got this puckering. So I've been meaning to go back in for like at least 2 years now and seam rip that out and make it a lot neater and cleaner so that I can actually confidently wear this top, because right now it's like no. So yeah, that's there. That's a project that I need to work on. Moving right along, we have my cutting table / construction table. This is where I do all of my pattern cutting, fabric cutting, as well as construction. So putting my garments together. I feel like you guys haven't seen me in a while. I'm still here. Still here. Hello. All right, so let's get back to the tour. Okay, so I actually got this table from IKEA. Again, y'all, if you haven't gotten stuff from IKEA, check it out because it's amazing. I think this is more like a kitchen counter because it's like a wood, what do you call that? Butcher block type thing. And then it had these legs that came with it. That's really, really nice. And of course my cutting mat, I have 2 of them so that I can cut out really, really long stuff. This is my window, you guys. This is the view that I have when I sew. It's so peaceful and calm and serene and just makes me feel good every day. Even when it's raining, I like to watch the rain out the window. So, you know, I got some pins here, all my little gadgets and stuff. Scissors, hip curve, all the things. I have more storage under here. This isn't really clean right now, so I'm sorry about that. But scissors, tape, you know, all the stuff that you need. And this is my grandma. For y'all that don't know, my grandma is the person who got me into sewing. She was a seamstress and a teacher, and she made this dress that she's wearing. She made a dress for me and took a summer to, you know, start teaching me how to sew, and that's how it all started. So, hi, Grandma. She passed away when I was like 12 or 13, more like 12, but I miss her, but I keep her close. These are my rulers here, and then more storage. Let me turn this, y'all. Can y'all guess what's in these bins? These rolling carts. Can you guess? I mean, I'll give you 3 choices. 1 is going to be fabric. 2 is going to be patterns. And 3 is going to be old garments that I have not worn yet. Pick one. Y'all let me know in the comments which one you think is in this rolling cart. So here we go. Drum roll, please. What's in the rolling cart, y'all? Patterns. Patterns and more patterns and more patterns. Okay. Yeah, I have a lot of patterns, you guys. And so I had to find somewhere to put them. And these carts are perfect because they kind of hide them away. And it's organized and it's neat. I started to try to organize my patterns by season. So you see winter, spring, winter, fall, winter, spring, summer. But I found out that I guess I'm a fall and a spring girl. And so my fall and my spring drawers were like busting full and loose with patterns. And my winter was like non-existent. And so I just said, I'm just going to put the patterns where they fit. So I tried to have them organized by season, didn't work out so well. So, all right, guys. So here we go. This is my tried and true dress form. Bella, for those of y'all who know, say, hey, Bella. She is currently wearing a skirt. I think I told y'all about that faux leather skirt that I was working on. And I'm still working on it. It's kind of a whip, a work in progress, unfinished sewing object, or whatever you want to call it. I decided to get a little too creative, I guess you would say. This was supposed to just be a straight skirt. And I was like, you know what? I want to put something in the front. I want a slit in the front. I want this, that, and other. So I just literally cut from here to here. And yeah, so now it's there. And I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to finish it out. This is kind of how the slit's going to be. I have my clips there because it's faux leather. So no pins here. But, you know, it's something. I see potential here. Okay, y'all. So here we go. I will now show you my sewing area. This is where all the magic happens. This is where I spend all of my time and energy when I'm not working and putting stuff together. So, and I got a new something I want to show y'all. I'm so excited. All right. So this is my sewing area. These are my little thread keepers here. And this is my sewing machine, which I absolutely love. It's my Genome C30. Not sponsored, but Genome, shout out if you want to sponsor me. I'm all about it. Love this sewing machine. I've had this one for about a year now. I had another one that broke and I needed to replace it, and it's been a great replacement, you guys. Yeah, more thread here, all the colors, all the things. And then you guys, hubby got me this present for my birthday. Bam, your girl got a serger. Okay, so this is my Juki serger, you guys. This is a Juki M0644D. I absolutely love it. This thing is a beast. It took a while for me to figure out how to thread this thing because, I mean, look at it, all the thread. But I watched a video and figured it out. And so here's my serger. I have been serging and I love it. And it's so fast and powerful and efficient, and I absolutely love it. So that is my new baby, my new addition to my sewing room. There's my chair that I sit in, foot pedals and all that good stuff. And y'all, that's pretty much it. This, I mean, IKEA. Again, how many times have I said IKEA, right? Y'all don't judge my outfit. It's my off day. I'm just at home chilling. So got my sweatpants on and my house shoes. This is my mirror from IKEA. I absolutely love it. It's white and it's super nice against the pink. I think it's a great contrast. And this is where I try on my stuff and can look at it and fit it. So I love, love, love this mirror. It was the perfect final addition to my sewing room. Okay, so that's my space, you guys. That's where I spend the time. That's where the magic happens. This is where all the love flows, all my sewing love flows. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about where I got certain things from, let me know down in the comment section. Sorry. Love to answer those questions for you, even if you want to know about my hangers. I don't know if you do, but let me know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can catch these fun videos once a week. All right, you guys. Well, until next time, I will see you later.